In a beautiful village nestled between rolling hills and blooming meadows, lived a couple named Maya and Raju. They were known throughout the village for their strong and harmonious relationship. People admired the way they treated each other with respect and kindness. However, like any couple, Maya and Raju faced their own challenges and had to learn the art of communication. One day, as they sat by their cozy fireplace, Maya shared a story with Raju, a story that carried within it 8 precious gems of wisdom on what not to say to one's spouse. "Raju," she began, "let me tell you a story that may shed light on the importance of mindful communication in our marriage. Once upon a time, in a distant land, there lived a couple named Lilly and Josh. They had been married for many years and were deeply in love. However, as time went by, they began to face difficulties in their relationship. Lilly felt that Josh was becoming distant, and Josh felt that Lilly didn't appreciate his efforts. One day, during a heated argument, Lilly blurted out, "You never listen to me. You're always too busy with work and never have time for us." Josh felt hurt by her words. He retorted, "And you're always nitpicking and complaining. I can never do anything right in your eyes." Their words had wounded each other deeply, and their once loving relationship seemed to be unraveling. As Maya shared this story with Raju, she looked into his eyes, conveying the importance of their own communication. She continued, "Raju, just like Lilly and Josh, we must remember the power of our words. There are 8 things we should never say to one another, as they can chip away at the foundation of our love. 1. You never. Or, you always." Maya explained, "Using absolutes can make our partner feel attacked and defensive. Instead of generalizing, let's focus on specific situations and express how we feel. 2. Criticisms without constructive feedback. Direct criticism can be hurtful," Maya continued. "If we have a concern, let's approach it with care and offer suggestions for improvement, so we can grow together. 3. Bringing up past mistakes. Rehashing past mistakes can cause resentment," Maya said. "Let's address issues as they arise and work towards solutions, instead of dwelling on the past. 4. Comparing to others. Comparisons can erode self-esteem," Maya reminded. "Let's appreciate each other's uniqueness and avoid making hurtful comparisons. 5. Unsolicited advice. Sometimes, offering advice without being asked can feel condescending," Maya explained. "Instead, let's be good listeners and offer advice when our partner seeks it. 6. Undermining each other's goals. Supporting each other's dreams is crucial," Maya stressed. "Let's avoid belittling or dismissing each other's aspirations, even if they differ from our own. 7. Using hurtful labels. Labels can be damaging," Maya warned. "Let's avoid using hurtful words that label our partner negatively. Let's choose words that build, not tear down. 8. Threatening separation or divorce. Threats can create fear and insecurity," Maya said softly. "Let's reassure each other of our commitment and work through challenges together." Raju nodded thoughtfully, realizing the weight of each gem of wisdom shared by Maya. "You're right, Maya," he said. "We must choose our words with care and treat each other's feelings delicately. I never want to hurt you with thoughtless words." With that realization, Maya and Raju made a pact to uphold these 8 gems of communication in their marriage. They practiced listening attentively, offering support, and choosing words that uplifted rather than wounded. Over time, their connection grew stronger, and they became a beacon of inspiration for others in their village. As Maya concluded her story, she leaned in and held Raju's hand. "Let's remember, my love, that our words have the power to shape our journey together. By communicating mindfully and following these 8 gems of wisdom, we can continue to nurture the love and bond we share." And so, in that cozy home by the fireplace, Maya and Raju embraced the lesson learned from Lilly and Josh's story. Their commitment to mindful communication allowed their love to thrive, reminding everyone that the strength of a marriage lies not only in the grand gestures but also in the tender conversations that shape the essence of their connection. Moral of the story: in the canvas of a relationship, the colors of communication paint the most vivid strokes. The story of Lilly and Josh serves as a reminder that the way we communicate can either build bridges or tear them down. The 8 gems of wisdom offer practical guidance on what not to say to our partners. By avoiding absolutes, offering constructive feedback, refraining from comparisons, and embracing supportive language, we create a foundation of love, trust, and understanding. Just as Maya and Raju discovered, mindful communication is the key to a strong and lasting bond, illuminating the path towards a harmonious and fulfilling marriage.